Hey everybody, welcome to Car City Inc., used car dealership out of Palatine, Illinois. I'm very proud to introduce you new arrival here at our dealership. Just came in from Japan, right-hand drive vehicle. This is 1997 Mitsubishi GTO, Gran Turismo Homologado. That's how it calls in Japan. This is an SRRR model with four-wheel drive. Let me first show you how beautiful this vehicle is from the outside, like a paint-wise. It's pearl white exterior over black gloss interior. Guys, this vehicle's got so many extras. It's thousands and thousands of dollars installed in this unit. This vehicle recognized for competition, Grand Touring car. This got twin cam 24 valve engine. This is Tokyo car built for Tsukuba circuit, Tsukuba Sakito, a custom handmade pipe. This is a custom made, guys. Everything it made by Takumi Sawamura, by Z's. This is like $2,500 right there. It is all-wheel drive. SR, GTO, RR model with Recaro special seats. Microna HD light bulbs, ballast with headlamps. It's got Blitz suspension, and this Blitz suspension installed, certified by Blitz Japan, with all certificates. I'll show you all the manuals it's got. It professionally been aligned. They did alignment with it. All certified by Blitz Japan. This vehicle came from Mitsubishi of Tokyo. Super nice and clean unit. Look at that. Tinted windows. Look at this Yokohama tires. In a great shape. It's got special alloy wheels. This Yokohama tires, Advent tires, 225/45 by 18. It got cross-speed hyper edition Japan lightweight wheels, especially for driftings. Let's go ahead and start it. Super nice and clean. Amazing. It's got 68,000 miles, which is a little bit over 100,000 kilometers. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Cloth interior with Recaro seats. Show you back seat. Back seat nice and clean as well. Let me go ahead and crank it. Right-hand drive, as you see. It's got automatic transmission, Recaro special factory interior. All the stereo system with navigation and cameras been installed by Apple company in Tokyo. Automatic climate control, AC blows cold. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Non-smoking, no odors inside. 109,000 kilometers, again, which is 68,000 miles. It's got locking system. Central locking system. Let's go ahead and open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. For more information, you guys just check our description. It says it all. It says gonna say you all the options on this unit. It's got too much to tell. Advent tires, alloy wheels, Yokohama tires. Headlamps, fog lamps, It came from a region of 16 region in Japan, which is the Tokyo. Beautiful, super nice and clean. Paint in a great shape. I'm sorry, let me just go ahead and open the hood. Here you go. Again, guys, it's got bleed suspension. It's one of the most expensive ones on the market. Beautiful looking engine under the hood. And this unit is all-wheel drive, so it's great. It handles great in snow. Any questions, you guys, please give us a call if you have any questions. Again, it's too much to list, too much to tell. I don't remember all the little details on it, but it's got a lot of options. If you have any questions, give us a call and we're gonna explain you everything. We are Car City Inc. out of Palatine, Illinois. Our phone number is 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures and video. Again, give us a call with any questions. We'll try to tell you and explain you everything about this unit. We have a special gentleman who knows a lot about these cars. So give us a call and we're gonna be glad to explain you all the details. Here's some service records from Japan. Let me walk you through a lot of manuals. Again, as I told you about Blitz suspension, I told you about Blitz alignment, about specialty oil which used in the engine and transmission. Great quality, Japanese, only Japanese products. So any questions, give us a call, 847-496-4250. Guys, take a look at this beautiful Mitsubishi GTO at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Please stop by. We have quite a few of this vehicle imported from Japan. We do have an Illinois title on this unit, so you're not gonna have no problems to register it. It's all legal to drive it with a right-hand drive vehicle in Illinois and other states, so no problems. Again, we do have an Illinois title on it already, so please give us a call if you have any questions or would like to stop by and take a look at this super nice and clean unit. We have quite a few of these Japanese vehicles, about 10-15 units, so give us a call. Any questions, 847-496-4250, and we are Car City Inc. out of Palatine, Illinois. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.